This is a DIY French fries, thick cut fries that has been fridged after boiling. We fridged it and then we fried it. After we boil it for about 10 minutes with vinegar, of course, to make the fries burn. Then we put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and then I put it in the chiller or refrigerator only. Not actually in the chiller. And this is the result. This is different than the usual price I'm doing. This is much different. Putang ina.